In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate 100 times in Google Translate. We will go through a simple rhythm you can repeat until you reach all 100 translations. Start by opening Google Translate. You can do this in any modern browser by searching for Google Translate, then opening the first result from Google. When the page loads, you will see two main boxes side by side, with language names at the top of each box and a large empty area to type on the left. Now choose your original language. Look at the top of the left box, where you see a language name and a small arrow. Click that language name to open the list, then scroll or type to find the language your text is written in. Once you click it, the name appears at the top of the left box, so you can always confirm you picked the right source language. Next, choose your target language. Move to the top of the right box and click the language name there. Again, a list appears, and you can select the language you want your translations to appear in. After you select it, the chosen language shows at the top of the right box. If you ever need to swap directions later, there is a double arrow between the language names, but you do not need that if your direction stays the same. With both languages ready, type or paste your first word or sentence into the left box. As soon as you finish typing or pasting, Google Translate processes it automatically. You do not have to press any extra button. You will see the translated version appear in the right box, usually within a second or two for short text. Beginners sometimes paste huge blocks of text here, but for this method, stick to one word or one sentence each time to keep count easily. Once the first translation appears, copy the translation from the right box. You can do this by dragging your mouse over the translated text to highlight it, then using your normal copy shortcut. When the text is copied, nothing on the page changes, so if you are unsure, paste it somewhere to confirm. Many people keep a separate document open where they paste each translation, so they end up with a clean list from 1 to 100. After you have copied the translation, replace the text in the left box with the next word or sentence. Click inside the left box, remove the old text, then type or paste the new text you want to translate. The right box will update automatically again, showing the new translation using the same language pair you already set. This way, you never have to change the languages while you work through your list. Finally, repeat this process until you finish 100 translations. Each cycle is type or paste, wait for the translation, copy it, then replace the text with the next item. Some people like to number their sentences in their separate document so they can easily see when they have reached all 100. By following this pattern, you have now translated 100 separate words or sentences using Google Translate. So if this walkthrough helped you batch your translations, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick translation tips.